What is up, guys? Welcome back to DamnGoodCooking.com. It's your boy Dave, and today we're going to be cooking a little bit different here. Well, mainly from the camera view. Trying out some equipment that we got, going to see how it works. But today, quick, simple recipe like always. It's going to be red hot, sweet chili shrimp fried rice. That's right, your boy's about to hook up some sweet chili shrimp fried rice. Now, what is sweet chili shrimp fried rice? It's just shrimp fried rice with sweet chili. This is the Frank's Red Hot. I found this in the grocery store. I was like, we got to pick this up. We got to try it. It says for dipping in more. I've been using this for chicken. Oh, that's the thing too. I got a lot more chicken recipe videos coming your way here soon as well. But this stuff is, I gotta admit, it's really good. You gotta try this out. So for the recipe, this is all you're gonna need. You're gonna need some shrimp, some peas, some carrots, some rice, white onion, green onion, Frank's Red Hot sweet chili if you got it. Gonna use a little bit of Worcestershire. And the only two things that aren't up here that we're actually gonna use is a couple eggs, because we're gonna scramble some eggs, and also a little bit of soy sauce. Splash it in there for seasoning, just to kick it up a little notch there along with the red hot sweet chili. So let's go ahead and get started. And the way we're gonna get started is to start with the rice. That's actually gonna take the longest because everything here in this wok is gonna cook quick. So let's get started with the rice. I'm gonna have Shelly come over here and help your boy out because I'm not a rice expert. But when our doggy got sick, they said the best thing you can give her is boiled chicken and rice. So my wife was away. She was at the gender reveal party for my brother, and I was there too as well, but my father wasn't feeling well, so I took him home. But anyway, I came back and Tony wasn't feeling great that day. So I tried to make her some chicken and rice, and let me tell you, the rice just didn't come out the right way. It was all clumpy. It was, I don't know, the dog looked at me like, you're trying to kill me quicker. And it's just, I'm not a rice expert. So let's get the rice expert over here, and she's gonna help walk us through that. So for those of you who can't do it, oh, by the way, I didn't use the rice cooker. I didn't use the rice cooker because I didn't know where her little cheat sheet manual that she had made for me to show me how to use it. I was trying to do it the old-fashioned way, put it in a pot on the stove, and it just didn't turn out the right way. When I stuck the spoon in, the whole pot came up with the spoon. So anyway, let's get to the rice cooker. All right, Shelly, take us to Rice Cooking Community College here.
2 cups rice.
2 cups of rice. So 1 cup for you, 1 cup for me. Yes, no?
See.
See. 2 cups water.
Now we like to add just a little bit more water.
You said add a little bit more water, so you want like half a cup, 1/4 a cup, 1/8?
A fourth.
1/4. All right, we can do a 1/4. There we go.
Now if you want to, you can add a little bit of salt, or you can add a little bit of avocado oil.
Should I do that?
If you want to.
Okay. I have the spray version.
That's gonna cost much.
Oh, okay. Sorry, guess I put too much in there.
Go ahead and put the lid on.
Drop it like it's hot.
Where it says align on the side.
Yep.
So you align it first and then you twist it over. There you go.
Boom.
So go ahead and hit the function button. It always has to be on pressure cook, and then hit the timer for 7 minutes and hit start.
Boom.
That's it.
Your boy couldn't do that. While we're making the rice next, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our onions. Now, I already have an onion that I'm gonna use. This is still good. So I'm gonna use this one instead. This was just for illustration purposes. So let's get to chopping some onions. Those who have followed the channel know I don't really give direct measurements. I'm not gonna say use 3/4 onions and use 2 cups of peas. It's really what you like. Now for the rice cooker, that's a different story. I guess you gotta follow the instructions on that. But this is your ingredients. This is what you're taking in. It's what you like. If you like a lot of onions, chop up a lot of onions. If you like a lot of peas, overload it with peas. It's whatever your belly wants, you know? It's up to your belly. So use your belly as judgment for this portion, but let's go ahead and chop up some onions and we'll go ahead and get to the next step. Next, it's time to beat your eggs. while we're beating the eggs, I know it's gonna be loud, but we're gonna do some Dave and Shelly facts. Cause I don't have any shrimp fried rice facts for you right now. Yes, I call my wife Shelly, but her name is Michelle. Michelle, Shell, so I get Shell. How do we get damn good cooking? From Dave and Michelle. It sounded a lot better than mad cooking. Damn good cooking. Would you rather have some mad cooking or some damn good cooking? Fact 2. Neither me or Michelle like peas. We don't like them at all, but it's part of the recipe. It actually makes it. You actually really don't taste it that much when it's in your shrimp fried rice, and it's healthy for you. So that's another fact about us. We don't like peas. No, not at all. There's nothing I can say good about you peas. And your last fact. We don't like carrots either. You know what? She used to love raw carrots. I used to love cooked carrots. And maybe it's part of growing up and getting a little bit older or whatever, and your taste buds change. It's just, I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's just, it's not there anymore. It tastes like eating some paper towel or something. But that's your other fact. Neither of us like carrots. We used to like it. She liked raw. I like cooked. And now we don't like them at all. But in your shrimp fried rice, it's one of those things like with the peas, if done the right way, you don't really taste it. There's your Dave and Michelle facts. Let's go ahead and put some oil or spray in your skillet. Turn that on, let it heat up on low. This is where we're gonna drop our eggs in. While it's heating up on low, we're gonna head over to the wok. Okay, the wok's heated up. Let's go ahead and drop the onions in there. And guess what, folks? I just checked the cabinet. I don't have any soy sauce. I went downstairs, checked the kitchen there. There's no soy sauce. It's not important, but it would have been nice. Hey, you gotta work with what we got here. Also, I can't find my little claw, but this will do the trick. I think when this is done, I forgot I heard it beep. Michelle turns this. Oh, it's probably not good for the cabinet. There we go. Yucky. This go around, we're going to use a lot less. Just enough to coat the bottom there. And get the rice on there. All heated up. Let's go ahead and drop that rice. Fried rice. Just like that, folks, it's time to eat. Take a look at that. Sweet chili shrimp fried rice. And yes, we leave the tails on there. You just have to pull it out before you bite it. So if you ever get shrimp fried rice at a Thai restaurant, they always leave the tails on there. So that looks delicious. Another gourmet dish from your boy Dave. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's your boy Dave, Damn Good Cooking, signing out. Till next time. Don't eat it with your hands. Peace.